Standard 7 Subject History Lesson number 4 Maharashtra before the times of Shivaji Maharaj. At the beginning of the 17th century CE, most of the territories in Maharashtra was under the control of the Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur. The Mughals has entered Khandesh. Their objective was to expand their power in the south. There were settlements of Siddhi people who had come from the Africa along the coastline of Konkan. The competition and conflict among the Portuguese, the British, the Dutch and the French who had come from Europe was getting intense during this period. There was stiff competition amongst them to capture the market for trade. The Portuguese had already established their rule in Goa and Vasai on the western coastline. The British, the Dutch and French had found an entry in the medium of trading companies by setting up their factories. All these powers assessed the strength of the other. Powers kept themselves safe and tried to dominate as much as possible. This conflict had created insecurity and instability in Maharashtra. These different people from Europe were called Topkar on the basis of their customary headgear. It is necessary to get acquainted with the village Mauja, Kasba or Pargana to understand the nature of settlements in that period as also of the officers that formed the link between the rulers and their subjects and also the markets and the craftsmen. The Pargana was made up of many villages. Generally, the headquarters of the Pargana was called Kasba. A village smaller than Kasba was known as Mauja. Let us get acquainted in brief with village Kasba respectively. Village Mauja. Most of the people lived in villages. A village was also called as Mauja. Chief of village was Patil. He used to try to bring out most of the land under cultivation. When there was any dispute in the village, the Patil resolved it and made peace. A Kulkarni helped Patil in his work. He kept the record of the revenue that was collected. There were various artisans in the village. They had hereditary rights regarding their occupation. The peasants gave their share of agricultural produce to the artisans for their services they rendered to the village community. This share was known as Baluta. Kasba. A Kasba was like a big village. It was usually the headquarters of the Pargana. For example, Indapur, Kasba of Indapur, Pargana, Vai, Kasba of Vai Pargana were the headquarters of these Pargana. Agriculture was the main occupation. There were skilled artisans, carpenters, blacksmiths, etc. in the Kasba. There was usually a market, that is Pet, adjacent to the Kasba. The Seth and the Mahajans were the Watandars of the Pet. Every village did not necessarily have a Pet. The setting up of the Pet was the job of the Seths and Mahajanin. For that, they received some land from the government and some rights from the villages. The Mahajan maintained the account of the Pet. Do you know, as per order of Veer Mata Jijabai, a Pet was established in Pashan near Pune. It was called Jijapur. Malpura, Khelpura, Vittalpura and Paraspura in Aurangabad were also new Pets established in the name of Maloji, Kheloji, Parsoji and Vithoji respectively. Shivpur, adjacent to the Khed, was a Pet established in the name of the Shivaji Maharaj. Let's learn the words Budruk and Khurd, which are used to show that the two villages are different. The original town is Budruk and new one is Khurd. For example, Vadgaon Budruk and Vadgaon Khurd. Thank you.